how to set up Cloudflare in Hostinger. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our Cloudflare over here. As you can see, navigate to the website. After that, we're going to go to our Hostinger. Simply copy your domain over here, your website domain, and paste it over here and click on continue. After that, we will see a new page over here where we're going to select a plan. So we're going to scroll down and simply select the free plan over here at the bottom and click on continue. And over here, let's wait for this one. It's going to ask us to modify or add our DNS records over here. So over here, as you can see, other scan says that there are missing uncommon domains over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow what it is asking us to do. So we're simply going to click on continue to activation over here. And over here, it's going to ask us to update our name servers. You can also follow the other information over here, but over here is the most simple one. So let's go to our domains, click on manage, and click on name servers over here on the left side. And click on change name servers over here and simply update this, copy and paste it into your Hostinger and simply click on continue. And then after that, you will then be able to set up your Cloudflare for your name or your Hostinger domain. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.